is almost unheard of. The black bear stands up to Thumper and chases him off. For Thumper, it's a harsh lesson. If he's ever going to grow into a king grizzly, sooner or later, he'll have to face down and defeat another bear. Back at Yellowstone Lake, it's May, but the snow still flies. Mary and her cubs avoid some predators by living near a road. While this means missing out on the carcasses of elk and bison killed by wolves, the family is able to survive on smaller prey, such as squirrels, voles, and mice. The twins will spend just over 2 years with their mother. In that time, she teaches them everything they'll need to know in order to one day survive on their own. Like where and when to find the foods they'll need to rely on. But right now, the cubs' most important food is their mother's milk.